All right, so we got the box here. I already opened this one. So it's a, well, actually let me do the unboxing and record this one on this camera. That is why this camera is here. Probably for a couple of those people who are interested in unboxing and how it looks like. Today we got a Babycat Raw Bourbon. And as far as I understand, it came out like couple months ago. I don't see that many people having this for so far. Even on forums there's not much reviews on this one. So today we're gonna see what's going on here. This is my first YSL from the, you know, like a niche unisex fragrance. This one cost a lot of money. So first thing first, I'm gonna be nothing fancy there, but the box, ooh, look at this. Again, this is my first one, so look at this. Nice looking, good looking. I'm gonna leave it here. So we have Le Vestiaire des Parfums. You guys tell me if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but in any case, ooh, look at this. Wow, it looks great. Hopefully you guys can see it as well. I probably put the second camera a little bit different today. Hopefully you're still getting a good quality thing, because I cannot see it here. Yeah, I'm also gonna show it in this camera just in case. Babycat Raw Bourbon. Raw Bourbon. You know what you notice first? The bottle. Look at this. Isn't it amazing? It's beautiful. That's what I love about YSL. They try to be serious. I'm a fan of a good design of the bottle. I appreciate simplicity at the same time luxuriness. It looks like Hennessy, you know? It looks like a Hennessy. So we got nice engraving of the YSL logo here. And ooh, look at this. Magnetic cap. And this Babycat sign here looks like 200 bucks. The retail price is 330 bucks from the website, and today we're gonna find out if it's worth it. This one is unisex, and for the first spray, let me get that thing. Alright, let's go and check it out what's going on here, because I read on their website Babycat Le Vestiaire des Parfums. Babycat Le Vestiaire des Parfums. This one is unisex and it says a raw vanilla bourbon fragrance with warm suede accords. And on the description it says keywords: bourbon fragrance, vanilla scent, spicy fragrance. Now let's stay a little bit, because it's a little bit, I feel like I need to spray it and then come back and record in like a 30 minutes, something like that. But first let's see what they say on the website. All right, so description of this fragrance is what it is. This is provocative fragrance, captures the essence of the YSL Yves Saint Laurent's iconic leopard print. It's sensual, feline flair expressed with untamed and raw bourbon vanilla. Walk on the wild side with Babycat. Babycat Raw Bourbon is a unique faced vanilla bourbon infusion crafted for YSL beauty as a homage for iconic capture pattern. The vanilla extract is magnified with exotic spices and sizzling resins enveloped. What is it? Resins enveloped in a suede accord to create essential blend for the exceptionally bold. When I just sprayed it like you hit with that alcohol, right? Like the bourbon, that smoky bourbon. Now it's turning to like after 3 or 4 seconds, I smelled a little bit of vanilla, but it's not right away. Now it's turning to like something luxurious, like when you go inside of like some cars that feels very luxurious. Sometimes some Turkish hotels, they have those. Oof. I'm telling you guys, it's changing. Again, right? Like I would say so far 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5 meaning probably 9 out of 10, and maybe I will change my opinion regarding this one, because I will give it a try. Especially right now, we are having like a chilly days and nights. Like nights are a little bit chilly here in Virginia, DC area, DC metro area. And by the way, if any of you guys are from this area, let me know. See myself checking this one and spray this one for a couple more days maybe. Let's see how it will go, and then from there I'll share my opinion one more time. But so far, so what we got so far, on the first spray you get that bourbon smell, alcohol, smoky bourbon. Then the vanilla hits almost like in like 3 seconds, 3, 4, 5 seconds, and then after like 5-10 minutes you smell a little bit sweetness, that luxury smoky spicy vibe. Wow, it's a lot of stuff here. But definitely I would say this is more men than unisex, and I don't see women wearing this one. Although, wait. I recently met someone, she was 29, classy lawyer, and she was wearing something similar actually. Not this one, no, but something similar. So yeah, maybe for some classy lawyers, serious profession women, I can see them wear this one. If I would suggest for someone, it would be for men between no age, maybe well, with the age I would go with 30, 50, 60, whatever. It's a little bit on that rich luxury rainy day / winter cold day. And then the first thing comes to my mind is like when you are entering luxury mansion and like you're very fit, muscular man, not like me, like I need to work out, but very rich. You wear this one at night, dress sharp, maybe all black, fall, winter, cooler evenings. If you're on a date, in my opinion, the game is over. She is yours, my friend. I'm ranking this one 9 out of 10. I just need more time with it, get more compliments, see what ladies think. Well, my lady thinks. If you like bold, spicy vanilla that make people ask what you're wearing, I'm sure a lot of people gonna ask me what are you wearing, because it's like kind of signature scent. All right, anyways, let me test it more. Let's see what's gonna happen, and then I will share more about this one later on some of my top 10 videos, maybe top 5 videos.